Hi everyone, this is Eric Ringer for MDF2, term 1306, and this is my week 1 reflection video. And what did I do for my project? This week we had to do a Twitter app that uses a table view that takes in the user's tweets and displays them, and then has a detail view. A detail view controller that has the details of the view of the tweet, and then a user detail view controller, which is the tweeter user's information. And then I have a custom cell for the table view in my view controller. So let's go through a short overview of your code. So in my view controller, in my view did load, I set up a loading alert so that will display, or I set up a loading alert function that runs. It will load right before the Twitter feed comes, and then this is my if they have requests to access their Twitter account, if it grants access. So this is then it will pull in the data, or the request I should say. And then if it doesn't, if you don't, and then it NS logs the user did not grant access if they declined it. So this is my function for the reload of the feed, which is similar to getting the table viewed. So it's pretty much the same, except for when the user did not allow access. I have a function that an error alert will pop up, which I will show in a second. So this is my table view that accesses the detail view controller. So when they click on it, it goes to the detail view of the tweet. And then this is where I'm telling the Twitter feed to return count in the table view and the number of rows. And then this is my custom cell controller cell, because it will have the Twitter image, the user, and the created at, which is the time and date. So this is I created an on tap, so when they press this is for my profile view, for the profile button. It will go to the user detail view controller and display that. And then I created an on press IB action, so this reloads refreshes the table view, and then it gives out an alert reloading tweets, please wait. And then else I have if you hit the plus button, you can send out or post a tweet. So it has the SL compose view controller. And then here's my error alert. So it basically says if they did not allow or add a Twitter account, it will display a UI alert view that says please add a Twitter account to your device. And then this is my loading alert. It says loading tweets, please wait. And yeah, so let me here's my detail view controller. It just, I set up an NS dictionary. So this is my strings, and then I connect them to my labels. I have a name label, a tweet for the text view, a time label, and then the user label that will display the username. And then in my detail or user detail view controller, this is how I get the screen name, the user's name, the description, and then their followers count and their friends count, which is people following. And then I did a status count of how many tweets that they have done, and then the profile image that will also be loaded, so you can see their Twitter image. So let's go ahead and run the app. And then I created a launch image, which is this tweets with the hashtag. Well, I didn't create, I got this image. So there was my loading, which was really fast. So I think on things I could have done better was have that loading a little bit faster. So here's my table view. So it has the user's image, the tweet, then the time and the date. So if I click on that, it goes to tweet information, which is the username, the name of the person in the tweet, and then the time of day. And then it reloads again. Here, let's do one that's a little bit longer. So yeah, you can see. So every time you go back, it reloads the tweets. And then here's my user profile. So I have the image. This is my username, my name. I have 17 followers. I'm following 32 people, and I have 7 tweets. I currently attending Full Sail University, and then I produce a film festival in San Francisco. So that's me. And then I have, well, before I show, so if we press the plus, I can do posted from my MDF2. Oops. Okay, so let's send this out. Alright, so that's sent out. We'll give it a few seconds. There it is. It reloaded. Yeah, so it reloaded the tweet, and there's posted from my MDF2 app at Full Sail. So that works. And what I could have done better, I guess when I load, that the loading screen could have been a little bit longer instead of, I think there's a few second delay before the actual tweets appear. And maybe give it a little bit of cleaner look. I could probably added another image here too. Oh, did a message. If they cancel it, it would have had a message, or if they did send a tweet, your tweet was successful. Oh, but I didn't, and also I didn't set up an error message if there's no connection or if there's Twitter is down. So I think those are kind of things that I could have done better. And I think actually for if Twitter's down, we need to do that for next week. So I'll look into doing that. So that is my app, and this is my video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you next week. Bye.